Today is your photo shoot day. Are you excited? Excited! Camera, don't you?
Standing in our way. He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, my love. Hi, my love. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good. Mama is disturbing you, yeah? Today is your photo shoot day. Are you excited? Are you excited? Oh, you are.
Hey guys, so I'm getting ready for my baby's shoot. I've packed his bag, basically the things that I think he'll need, like his diaper bag, his change of pampers, his diaper change. How am I saying? I was so confused. His diapers, his wipes, literally everything that makes up like the diaper bag. I want to quickly like pump a little bit of breast milk for his lunch, so that way I have food for him to eat because I'm already full when I'm out and I don't have to like bring out my boobs in public. I dread, even though I bought like tons of covers, I'm still have not gotten to that stage where I'm like comfortable with like bringing it out and like, you know, all that. So yeah, I want to quickly like pump and kind of prep his food, and then I have my camera already, so pack my camera, pack my bag, wear my shoes. I'm wearing my socks already, so wear my shoes and be out of the way. I have about 20 minutes to do all of this. Actually, I have 15 minutes to do all of this. I'm gonna pump for 10 minutes because I'm late already. Guys, I feel like this is all I do, just be pumping milk, but I'm almost done. I look crazy, but this is what I look like when I'm pumping breast. Like my husband would say, pumping breast. Yeah. Hey people, so we are at the studio. A little munchkin is sleeping. I hope he remains like this for the next 2 hours. But the good thing is, whenever we're out, he's always sleeping. So you're gonna be a good boy for mommy, huh? Okay, let's do this. Let's do this.
You like the camera, don't you? It's comfortable now.
The what?
It goes with Auntie's wrap. Yes, it does. Oh, look at you. You're already looking cute.
I know he's bad for me. He just wants me like he's attached to me. So what's standing in our way? Yeah, he got such power over me, but I try to act cool about it. But what's standing in our way? He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah.
Are we going?
So I pull myself together to not give myself the pressure. I don't know what to do with this. Should I let him go? Oh, go. I don't know what to do with this. Should I let him go? Oh, go. I fall for his eyes when he's staring into mine. Oh, he's bad for me. So what's standing in our way? And he's out of my league. I feel insecure, but I hope this is real, yeah. He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. give myself the pressure. I don't know what to do with this. Should I let him go? Oh, go, go. I don't know what to do with this. Should I let him go? Oh, go, go. I don't know what to do with this. Should I let him go? Oh, go, go. I don't know what to do with this. Should I let him go? Oh, go, go.
It's so comfy. Look at that. Oh. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, this light is amazing. I like how you guys use this.
So I pull myself together to not give myself the pressure. I don't know what to do with this. Should I let him go? Oh, go, go. I don't know what to do with this. Should I let him go? Oh, go, go. I fall for his eyes when he's staring into mine. Know he's bad for me. So what's standing here now?
Hey guys, so we just got back from the shoot. I'm taking off my wig because a girl is tired. Ta with a yard. So I want to make sure that I packed everything. I feel like I left my glasses there. Okay, I packed it. Let me just put this somewhere. So right now, baby is on his swing. It makes him so calm. I just had something to eat. I'm so tired, and I'm thinking of going to bed for a minute, but I think I'm just gonna watch movies with the family. So yeah, that's about it. I'm not gonna end this vlog here. Maybe I'll vlog till later this night. But let's take a peek. Let's see what's going on outside. Is this thing on? Oh, this camera makes me look a little cute. Camera. I look like a little cutie. And she looks like a little cutie. And he looks like a little cutie. Yo! Baby number 2. Baby number 2 loading. Baby number 2 is loading. Wow. So they're going to have like baby number 2. It's gonna be a boy. Baby number 3 is gonna be a boy. Then try 4th time, boy.
He doesn't mind at all. She want my juice like that. He does whatever what he feels for, and nobody